Welcome back to Cooking with Gloria. Today, I want to share with you a very delicious cream cheese bread. Yes, made at home with lots of love that I know you guys are really going to love. But first things first, my apron is on, my hands are clean, and I am ready to show you my ingredients. This delicious cream cheese bread, these are my ingredients. I have the zest of 1 lemon, 1 egg, vanilla, sour cream, 1 cream cheese, Philadelphia cheese, powdered sugar. For the actual bread, we need milk, vanilla extract, yeast, egg, granulated sugar, butter, and of course, 4 cups of all-purpose flour. Let's make and let's enjoy this amazing sweet bread, cream cheese sweet bread at home. So let's get started. Your milk needs to be warm. The rest of the ingredients need to be at room temperature. Let me tell you, make this amazing and delicious cream cheese bread. You're going to fall in love with it. After you add everything in there, let it sit for about 10 minutes and prepare your all-purpose flour with a pinch of salt. Incorporate it really good until you create a ball of dough. This is going to take a couple minutes. You're going to knead for about 5 minutes, no more than 5 minutes. Look at this. You're going to see that everything is you're going to clean the bowl with your dough, and then you're ready to just add a little bit of vegetable oil. Let it sit for 40 minutes until it gets nice and fluffy. While this is getting nice and fluffy, we are going to continue with the filling. The filling is very easy. Add all the ingredients into the bowl and then mix very well, except wait until the end to add the powdered sugar. Remember, all the ingredients are going to be in the description box. Once you add your powdered sugar, just incorporate it with the spatula. By this time, of course, you're going to prepare the egg wash. 1 egg and a splash of milk. And now you're ready to start measuring your balls of dough. 100 grams each. Yes, this is very important. You need to have a scale. You want all the bread to be in the same size, and they're going to cook at the same time. So make sure that you measure all your balls to 100 grams each. I'm going to continue measuring mine. From this dough, I'm going to obtain 10 balls of 100 grams. Once you have them like this, let them sit for about 30 minutes and then press them down just a little bit. And I have the rest ready. Of course, all-purpose flour and a little cup so that I can make the indentations right in the center. Look how easy this is. By this time, I have preheated my oven to 350 Fahrenheit. They're going to go in the oven for 25 to 30 minutes until they're golden brown. Every oven is different. So take your time. When you see them golden brown, you're ready to remove. And look at this. Of course, the cream cheese is nice and fluffy. Let it sit until they come to room temperature. But my home smells amazing. Look at this. Look how beautiful this cream cheese bread is. Of course, I would love for you guys to be here and taste it with me. But I am ready to taste. I can't wait to pull it apart so that you see how delicious, how amazing this is. The bread is still nice and warm. That's why the cream cheese kind of is pulling apart, but just let them sit for about 10 minutes and then pull it apart. It's really fluffy, really delicious. It's not sugary at all, and you could enjoy it with a delicious homemade coffee or glass of milk. I am ready for the presentation. I can't wait to enjoy. Look how golden brown they are from the top and bottom. I'll see you in a bit. Beautiful family. This bread is still warm, still hot, but I can't wait. I need to taste it. I need to enjoy it. Let me stop talking. Let's see how this came out. Let me tell you, you need to wait until it's completely at room temperature, but I can't wait. This looks and smells amazing. Excuse me. Mmm. Mmm. So fluffy. Not sugary at all. Let me tell you, when you bake with love, everything comes out perfect. Mmm. Mmm. Just amazing. If you like and love this amazing recipe, like, subscribe, and share. Don't forget to push that notification bell so every time I make an amazing recipe, yes, you're going to be notified. Before I say I see you soon, I wish you nothing but the best. Peace and love. I love you guys. Thank you for being here. Thank you for being part of Cooking with Gloria. I will stay enjoying these amazing cheese bread or cheese rolls. They come out perfect every time. See you soon. Bye bye.